the days the AMIGA was the one. We play with X copy under the sun. Action replay made the game so fun. Disc swap parties till the night was done. Demos push the limits high. Sound and graphics reach the sky. Oh, the AMIGA showed the way. In those golden nights we'd play through the pixels and the sound. We were lost and never found. The Commodore was a delight, late at dawn and early night, pushing boundaries bold and bright. Every demo felt just right. Demos push the limits high. Sound and graphics reach the